Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Crazy week in the market, that's for sure. But this chart right here from Hershey has held up pretty well. I mean, considering the S&P 500 had a major move down and a major move up, Hershey just kind of hung around the 8 and the 21-day exponential period moving averages. And as you can see here, I've drawn this downward sloping trend line, so we have a clear level of resistance here. Today, nice up day with the rest of the market and a nice pickup in volume. So what I want to see from Hershey, some chocolate, but also a move through this downward sloping trend line coming on higher than average volume. Now, I'd say today was probably a good starter position day, but I don't think you're late on this. I think you really want to wait for this stock to move out of this consolidative base. Now, it is kind of a high base. If I zoom out here, you can see, it's had a really nice run off of the December low. It's gone up about 30%. So this could still consolidate for a while, maybe have the 50-day moving average catch up. But for a short-term trade, you might be able to catch a move out of this base and a retest of the highs. You know what? From this level here to there, that's about 2% or 4 points. Not a bad move for a crummy market. So that's what I'll be watching for here on Hershey. I'll be setting an alert right around that 227.60 level here on my charting platform. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the link below, and I'll see you on the other side. Have a great weekend.